stocks start the month of September lower. As I speak to you right now, I've got the Russell down 1.5%, the NASDAQ down just short of 1.5%. The S&P down 1% and the Dow down 0.75%, and it feels weak. We're looking at some of the data that we missed on the holiday. Manufacturing PMI in Germany and the wider EU revised higher yesterday. However, the news was still bad as both sit well in contraction territory, 42.4 and 45.8 respectively. UK manufacturing PMI revised slightly higher to 52.5, and today we got the same August final manufacturing PMI data for small to medium-sized businesses for Canada and the US, and both were revised higher, but the US data was still lower than expected and both still in contraction territory. Construction and spending in the US also came in negative, down 0.3%, and manufacturing PMI in the US from the ISM came in higher but lower than expected and still in contraction territory at 42.7. Now that's the fifth consecutive month in contraction territory. And listen to this, 21 of the last 23 months for ISM manufacturing PMI in the US has been in contraction territory. Yields are lower across the board with a little bit of flattening going on. The 2-year down 3, the 10-year down 6, 2s10s inversion goes from flat to -3. Crude oil is dropping. It's down more than 3% as I speak to you right now, opening September with its worst day of the year so far on a percentage basis. Other commodities getting hit with gold down 0.56%, silver down over 2.5%, and copper down over 3.3%. The yen jumped as well. Markets are pricing in another Bank of Japan rate hike and continue to price in Fed rate cuts. The yen jumped over 1.5% from its lows after hitting its lowest level since August 19th. Earnings today after the close, 7 companies reporting with over $1 billion in market cap, including GitLab, OneStream, and Asana. Before tomorrow's open, we get another 7 companies with $1 billion or more in market cap reporting, including some important consumer names like Dick's Sporting Goods, Dollar Tree, J. Jill, and Hormel Foods. Also, Ciena Corp is reporting in the technology sector. Data tonight, China Caixin Composite and Services PMI. Tomorrow, Services PMI for Germany, the EU, and the UK. JOLTS jobs report, factory orders in the Fed's Beige Book in the US, and a Bank of Canada interest rate decision.